The first step in data analysis with FineBI is to connect to data. There are 3 ways to connect to new data: get database table, fetch data from Circle dataset, upload Excel dataset. Among them, the way to add database table and Circle dataset requires administrator rights or rights to users assigned by administrator. So let's first log into the local administrator account to see how to operate. The entry point is the data connection under the Manage. Click on Data Connection Management. New Data Connection. Note that FineBI supports a wide variety of databases. Specific database connection is not described here. In fact, FineBI has already added these data connections by default. Then you can go under the Data Preparation module, connect these data points to FineBI. First, open Data Preparation. Let's add a new business package. After opening the package, we can add the table. So first, let's look at the database table. After opening the database table, we find that these data connections on the left have just been set up in the management system. Those on the right are all the database tables in this data connection. So let's randomly select some database tables. Click OK. Then select Update Data. Well, once we get this data up to date, our database tables are already extracted. Let's look at the Circle dataset. Select Add Circle dataset. We can write the search statement on the left. And let's try to query the fact cost table. Click Preview on the right. Then you can refresh the validation results. We can also add a filter. Let's say I want to get the data that occupy rate is greater than 0.5. You can keep writing. So let's filter that out. Then preview it. Enter the name. Click OK. Do the same thing as you just did. Select Update Data. Now, our Circle dataset has already been updated.